Okay, today we're in a mobile home park, and they had problems with a water leak. They haven't been able to figure out where this leak was going for years, screwing around, and turns out this toilet tank valve, the ball is full of water. And this has been going on for a couple of years. But anyway, the amount of water that was lost here is unbelievable. Basically, 4 gallons a minute was going into the toilet. That's 240 gallons an hour. That is 5,760 gallons a day. That's 40,320 gallons a week. And believe it or not, 2,096,640 gallons a year. That little booger there costs a lot of money. Another quality job by HEFCO. H2OLeak.com.